Hello my crafty friends, it's Jelly Bean. And today is week 4 of Sabrina Kaye, the Country Crafters, Knows by November collab. I keep wanting to say spin, sorry about that. But week 1 was a card. Week 2 was an altered item. Week 3 was a bag. And week 4 is a tag. So weeks 1 through 3 I will have linked up here on, if you click on the little circle with the eye in it right up there in the corner, it'll drop down and you can go see all the other projects. So there are 30 women in this collaboration, y'all. And there have been some amazing creativity coming from this collab. And I hope y'all go check out everybody who's linked below and participating in this collab. Everyone has worked so hard to bring y'all some really great projects to inspire you to create for the holiday season, for birthdays, for just about everything, because it wasn't mandatory that we do a Christmas theme. So some people have done birthdays, some people have done fall, Thanksgiving, Christmas, just about everything, you know. So go check them out and get some inspiration. You know, sometimes we get in that little rut where our crafty mojo is down and we need some inspiration. Well, I guarantee you watch these ladies, you're gonna get some. But anyway, let's get to this week's project. This week's project was a tag. And you know, I have used this North Pole Gazette Recollections from Michael's paper pad collection. It's got some cut-aparts in here too. So I have been using this throughout the whole collab. That way, when I put it all together and pay it forward, it'll all match. So this week, I kind of went back to week 1's theme of my little gnome. Everybody liked my little gnome card. And I tell you, everybody just wants to touch his beard. And he's cute, because look, he's got a brother now. And he's on a tag. I took a solid black tag and I covered the back with this paper. Now, this isn't from the collection, but I kind of thought it went with it. This is a, I believe, a Heidi Swap sticker. Hang on, let me see. I can grab that real quick. I think I can grab it real quick. I say real quick and then it's not where I thought it was. So. Okay, of course I can't find it right now. So what I'm going to do is, before I upload the video, I will find out where those stickers come from. I want to say Heidi Swap, but I'm not sure. But, and I'll scroll across here somewhere, flash it, who those stickers are from, because all this stuff has been in my stash for years, and for the last 4 years, I'll tell you, you say no spend November, I could probably do no spend all year and still have enough stuff to craft, no lie. But anyway, back to the tag. Alright, this is our little card gnome's brother, and again, I used the little furry feathers for his beard, a felt ball for his nose. This is paper out of the collection. These stickers, I cannot tell you where they come from because I had cut them apart and stuck them in my Christmas stash, and when I pulled it out, they were just in there. So I do not remember who made those. This is a rosette that I made out of those bags. It's just some craft paper with some like little ads on it and stuff. And the little circle of Christmas wishes come from this Kaiser Craft Collectibles Christmas Edition ephemera pack, and it's just paper, and you can color it in. It's mostly black and white. Let's see if you can see some of them here. But I really like this collection because you can color it and use it colored, or you can just use it black and white, which is what I did with this one. And when I make my little gnomes, I cut out his hat, and I just drew out a pattern on paper, and I drew it out. And I double his hat. You can see up here on the tip I have black on the back. I know it's hard with my background. Let me try to get it behind something. But I got a black one on the back. That's the edge going around. But what I do when I make the little hats, I put them on my foam piece like I'm going to shape a flower. And I use my tool like I shape flowers with, the one with the metal ball on the end. And I kind of go around the edge and then roll it around the center to kind of give it a dimension, some dimension and everything. That way it doesn't look just flat, and that's why it looks like it's kind of coming off the paper there a little bit, if you can see. Yeah, there you go. But and then I just use a paper punch, and punch out, I think it's 1.5 inch circle, glue on the bottom, and glue my feathers on there. I have a little piece of burlap in behind to kind of match it and tie it in with the card. And then up on top I have some eyelash trim and some ribbon. This is a, I believe, a Dollar Tree ribbon from last year or something. It was in my stash, and it wasn't on the roll, so I don't know. And this is just some red glitter ribbon, and then black and red eyelash trim. And this is some black, like, wax cord that I use to tie it. And when I pull my string through my tag, I don't tie this or loop it through this or anything. I just pull it straight through, and then I use something to tie right here and tie it in a knot, and then I pull it up and make it part of the tassel, and that way it looks neater that way. See how I pulled it around and tied it in a knot? So, and then pulled it up to make it part of the tassel. So anyway, here's my tag, and I kind of want to put everything together that I've made and show you, because if you remember last week I showed you my loaded bag that I made, and it's not loaded yet because I had to put stuff in it from the collab, and I couldn't really show you until I got my tag ready. So I made this tag to where it sticks in this pocket. So it's going to decorate the back of my loaded bag. And now the front, I'm just going to use these die cuts here, and they're not exactly right here. I kind of had them like this. Actually, I had this one here and this one here. Okay, my OCD is kicking in now. And I've got a couple more black tags to put there. But then this tag goes on the back like this, and I made all these other altered items to go inside the bag and in my pockets and stuff like that. And see, so when you see the front, you're not going to see the little elf guy until you turn it over. And that fits in there, and it hangs out the top, but that's okay. My candy goes in the front part of the bag here. Excuse me. And then my little Merry and Bright, I might have it backwards. Yeah. I may have done it wrong. Let's see. Anyway, it all goes on here. And I don't remember how I had it, because I had to take it apart to do the videos. But anyway, it all fits in here, and when I send it to the person who's going to receive it, they will get everything all put together real pretty. And doggone it. That's bugging me now. Okay, I think this is the way I had it. And then I had the candy on there. And then I got some other goodies that go in the little bag part on the back. Some die cuts and stuff. Because these go on the front. I was pretty sure they did. And then that's a pretty loaded bag, y'all. But, excuse my sniffles. It's getting cold here. But anyway... my bag is loaded. And I tried to find a bigger black bag and I couldn't find one. But see, there's my tag. And then my card, I wanted a bigger bag so I could put the card in there too. But it just didn't want to go. So here's my first little gnome. And then here's his brother. Aren't they so cute? They're almost twins. Anyway, that is my project for this week. Here's my tag. Let me just pull it out. Here's my tag. He matches my card. And thank y'all for watching. Please make sure to go check out all the ladies listed below. Again, if you're on a computer, you'll need to click the show more under the video. Go down right below the thumbs where you click the thumbs up and stuff, and you'll see show more. On a phone or tablet, right directly under the video when you're watching it, right down here in the corner, will be a little black line arrow, and you just click on that and everything drops down, and you'll be able to see all the ladies in the collab and click on them and go check them out and see all the great projects they've made. If you need inspiration, you've come to the right place. So y'all have a crafty day, and we'll see you real soon. Bye for now.